to another cooking of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez. And this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter. Speaking to you over Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And all my 22 books, yes, 22. And some of them are right here behind my mom's cookbook are available. All my 22 books, including Mom and Chef, are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Noble, all bookstores near you. And, excuse me please, and my two website, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, and the other one is juanitagutierrez.com. And this, my beloved mom's cookbook, is available in ebook, Kindle, paperback format. Ebook and Kindle means at Amazon, you could upload my mom's cookbook quickly in your computer. And so, this is, come on and eat, adobo, newly cooked with steaming rice as well, and salad and sweet mini peppers. Come on and eat. You're all invited to my table. This is really good. Wow, this is mouth-watering indeed, and super nutritious, super delicious. In the Tagalog language, napakasarap. Super delicious with heavenly taste. Wowie. Come on and eat. Kain na po tayo. But before we do, we are going to bless our food. Isn't that important? Blessing for food. Mighty I am presence. Accept this food. Make it pure and holy. Transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought of our self-esteem. And so it is done, beloved, I am. Come on and eat, you're all invited to my table. I'm holding my camera at the same time, so let me take a look. I'm just going to get the drumstick. Excuse me, please. Right here. Come on, eat. You're all invited to my table. Yum, yes. My goodness, this is super gourmet. Excuse me, please. Happy cooking. In the Tagalog language, masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Kaya na po tayo. In the Tagalog language, that means come on and eat. Super yum. Enjoy. My beloved mom's delightful food recipes in her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter. Speaking to you about the video, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, available at Amazon, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com, and all online stores. I would like to thank all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, share, comment, and subscribe. And for those who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe if you have not already done so. And appreciate you all deep in my heart. Thank you. And happy cooking. Yum. Enjoy.